Hello, and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Pinterest account. Well, if you do not want to use Pinterest altogether, or you just don't want to use this current account, here's how you can delete it. The first step is launching the Pinterest app and making sure you've logged into your account. Now, click on the avatar icon at the bottom right corner, like so. At the top right corner, we can see a settings or gear icon. Let's select it. Since deleting the account is related to account management, we're going to select account management from this list. So, at the bottom section, we can see delete your data and account, permanently delete your data and everything associated with your account. If you want to delete your Pinterest account, guys, this is the option we want to select. Pinterest is confirming that this is the account that we want to delete. If we click on continue, Pinterest will ask why we are leaving. Let's say I just select the first option and send the email. It is saying that an email is sent to our email associated with this Pinterest account, which has a link for the steps we need to take to delete our account. So, let's go ahead and check it out. Here it is. And if we click on yes, delete account, it is saying, your account has been deleted. Alright, so that's how you delete your account on Pinterest, guys. If you found this video helpful, do give it a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding deleting your Pinterest account, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.